I wanted to talk to you today about an issue that keeps coming up in a lot of talks with clients and in coaching. And that is, everybody's trying to reach a cold audience in order to make more sales and reach new people. But those new people are cold to you, right? Like they don't know you, they don't know who you are. So, those types of things used to work, like, cold ads or cold leads. They even had the word cold, right? Because we kind of know that we don't know them and it takes quite a bit to reach them. Some of those things might still work in these days, but it's just noisier out there, right? And everybody's busier. They're scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. It's just a fast-paced, world out there. So, that know, like, and trust needs to start earlier than ever before. So I think that's really what the new thing is, right? To think it's not really what you need to say, but it's what you need to kind of do or where you need to be in order to be able to reach people better, right? Those cold people that don't know you. So I kind of use a little example, and I call it like the 7 breadcrumbs. So it doesn't really matter whether it's 7, because some businesses it might be 3, some businesses it might be 15. But we'll go with 7. And what you want to do is, if you say that, around 6 or 7 is when they're really warm to you and that they're ready to buy, you really need to be able to reach out to that very, first point. And that's not on your website. It's probably not on your social yet. So these are areas where you need to, start laying some breadcrumbs out there. And those breadcrumbs might be social, they might be comments, they might be participating in a group, there might be comments on a forum. It could take the place of a lot of different things, but you're reaching out there to get that 1, 2, 3 in order to warm them up a little bit so that when they start seeing you on your social or even get to your website, which they probably won't do these days until maybe 4 or 5, maybe 3. So, I guess just what I wanted to make the point today is about laying those breadcrumbs. Where you need to lay them is where they are, not where you want to be. You have to go to where they're communicating, where they're beginning their buying process thoughts, and reach your way out there. So that's the concept of 7 breadcrumbs, and think about that for your business. And I'd very much like to hear more about yours and help you specifically. So please reach out.